Anyways, it's not working. But IWM, you got to see this go into price discovery, okay? Because every time this has gone into price discovery, that's whenever you see Ethereum and altcoins run hard. So for those of you that are not inside the Discord, the advice I would give you right now is you're probably going to want to start accumulating some of those altcoins again if you've cheated your bags or if you have extra capital to do so. Why? Because we're close. We're close to that point where we're going to see shit start to pop off. Because the risk on iShares Russell 2000 ETF is moving up higher and heading towards all-time highs. So we're drifting. QQQ, all-time highs. Okay, so all the major indexes and equities are at all-time highs except for Dow Jones is close. IWM's coming. But QQQ, US 100, S&P 500, all-time highs. Fantastic. NVIDIA broke out, new all-time highs. Look at this. Look at the breakout Coinbase had. Broke out of this channel, fucking running. Robinhood, all-time highs. Look at that. All the crypto stocks running hard. They gave a signal beforehand. Look, these crypto stocks are giving you signal. Coinbase, pumping. About to head to new all-time highs. Robinhood, pumping at all-time highs. Crypto stock. What does that tell you about crypto? If crypto stocks are leading, if crypto stocks are pumping hard as fuck, what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin? What do you think is going to happen to Ethereum? What's going to happen to your altcoins? Circle. Looks like it's going to come for that. Yep. Looks like it's coming for the fill. We might get this fill. This gap fill. We got this gap fill, meaning that it's going to come back down and close the gap between the price action here from close to open sessions. But Circle is the stablecoin USDC. This is obviously doing well. So crypto stocks are performing well. Interesting. What do you think is going to happen to crypto? VIX getting crushed. Love that. So VIX volatility is down, coming down. We needed to come down into this demand zone when we had our fat run-ups last time. So we need to get back down lower. DXY, who could have foreseen? Who could have foreseen? Who could have foreseen these levels? Perfect level. Clearly this was the level 2. Look where we bounced. Right here. DXY is now entering the demand zone where we were during last alt season. Last cycle. So November, December 21, when Bitcoin and altcoins topped out that year, and then we went into a multi-year bear market. That was the level for DXY. Okay. Beautiful. So, as the DXY continues to nuke, the value of the US dollar goes down. People are going to flood into risk assets, into equities. This is why you see it happen. Look, we drew this arrow, boom. We drew this arrow. It's coming down. We'll probably get a little bounce in here, into here. If we get a move into this demand zone, this is where the peak of last 2 cycles were. 17, 18 cycle, first Trump presidency. May 21, when Dogecoin went up to $80, $90 billion market cap. The greatest alt season to date was at this level on the DXY. If we can get back down into here, the people who are new to this and that have been trusting me to invest and accumulate, you don't really understand what's going to happen. You don't understand what's going to happen, which I love. I love that. I love the fact that you're going to make so much fucking money. It's going to be disgusting. And so you get this move down into here, it's going to be disgusting. But at the very least, we hit this level. This level was a good level for an alt season, an alt run. So we're at a good level for the DXY for it to make sense to be bullish on risk assets. We want a continued breakdown of this down into 2021 cycle top levels, 2017, 2018 cycle top levels for crypto. This is the play right here. That's what we need. Okay. So we're there. We're close, gentlemen. We're so close. So fucking close to the fat run up. Hey, yo, Bobby, TML fans in here. Oh, wow. This is the same guy, Priyama, that was begging everyone to vote for Tim Walz. No, I wasn't begging people to vote for Tim Walz. You must be confusing me with Logan Bauer. Logan Bauer was at those Harris and white dudes for Harris rallies. So you must be talking about him.